Hello, welcome to Elite Trading. So in this video, I'll be showing you a very profitable candlestick strategy. Please don't trade the way I trade in this video because there are a lot of things you need to learn before you can be able to trade like this. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and drop a comment below if you have a question for me. So let's see how this strategy goes. And if you want to learn more how to trade like this, you watch more of my videos and learn how to trade like this. And I'll be dropping more of my videos on candlestick pattern on strategy to learn. Thank you. Let's go.